Hello student, today my topic is zero order reaction. We consider a reaction where A gives product is said to be a zero order when its rate law is given by K. A concentration is 0 because this is the initial concentration is equal to K because A becomes 1 because the power is 0. Here rate is not depend upon the concentration of reactant. Rate is remain constant throughout the course of reaction. When the concentration of the reactant gets changed, the rate remain unchanged. Just like this, the graph show the rate is constant whether the according to the time concentration get changed, but rate becomes constant. There is no change in rate. So that is the reaction proceed with the constant rate. So the order is 0. The rate equation for the zero order reaction or the integrated rate law. First let us consider the reaction which is zero order, that is A just give the product. Suppose the initial, that is starting concentration of A is A whole naught, and let concentration of A after time t interval T be A. Since the zero order of the rate is R is equal to K A naught, A to the power 0 is equal to, this is differentiation, that is minus 1 upon 1 dA upon dt. So when this is also equal to this thing, so minus dA upon dt is proportional to A to the power 0 because it is zero order reaction. Now dA upon dt is equal to K, A to the power 0 is equal to K because A is equal to 1. If the power is 0, then it's is equal to 1. So the rate constant, K is the rate constant, and when just dt goes to the K, then this expression take place, d minus dA is equal to K dt. If we integrate whole equation, then this expression take place, integration minus dA is equal to K integration dt. If in time is 0, then concentration is A naught. This is the initial state. When time is 0, that is reaction is not starting. So the initial state of the concentration of the reactant is A naught. This is the initial state, and the final state when time is equal to T and A is equal to A. That is the remaining concentration. So we take A to the power A naught is equal to minus K T to the 0. That is, for the 0 A naught is there, for the 0 A naught is there, and when time t A concentration is equal to A, when time t then A concentration is equal to A. Now if we take this power, then A minus A naught is equal to minus K T minus 0. Then 0 is cancelled or removed because it is it has no meaning. So A minus A naught is equal to minus K T. Then this when A naught goes to this side, then the expression becomes A is equal to A naught minus KT. So this is the expression for zero order reaction where A naught is initial concentration, that is starting concentration of A, and simple A is the concentration of A at any time t. K is the rate constant, T is time in which concentration change from A naught to A. Now if we consider the graph, this is a y-axis and this is the x-axis. So at y-axis A concentration take place in this way by this expression. This is the slope where minus K is tan theta is equal to minus K because slope is negative, and is T, and A concentration is the here. Now next is half-life of reaction of zero order. It is a time, half-life is what? It is a time in which reaction complete 50%. That is T by half. At T by half, so concentration also become half. So A in this expression, zero order reaction in this expression, A is A naught upon 2, A naught is A naught minus KT, T is half. So if we take if we solve it by the linear equation, we take KT half is equal to A naught by 2, or when K is shifted at the denominator, then expression became by the half life is T half is equal to A naught 2K. This is the half life of zero order. The slope is like this. Slope is half K is equal to tan theta, that is T half is equal to A naught 2K. This is the initial concentration taken place at x-axis, theta angle is there, and at y-axis T half is there. Now come to example of zero order reaction. First is photochemical combination of H2 and Cl2 over the surface of water. This is the reaction. This is the photon or sunlight which just help to react H2 with Cl2. Experimentally, it is observed that both are in the gaseous form, so the order is 0, as H2 and Cl2 is equal to K. So the order of reaction is 0, as the rate of reaction found to be independent of the concentration of both H2 and Cl2. Now next is decomposition of NH3 at the surface of the metal like gold and platinum, like this. Ammonia at the surface of gold and platinum, it just appear like N2 and 3 molecules of H2. So experimentally rate is equal to ammonia is 0, that is K. So order of the reaction is 0. The unit is concentration per time, mole liter per liter per second, and at the gaseous state, atmosphere per second. So my question is for today, what is zero order reaction and its half life? Thank you.